Hello. In my latest article, I rush in where angels fear to tread, and I entertain the topic of victimhood. Life is difficult. Horrible things happen to people. They have dreadful experiences. They're treated badly, they're abused, they're attacked. All sorts of awful things happen to them. And these things cause wounds and scars. And yet, in order to thrive in life, we need to deal with those wounds. We can't expect to have a fulfilled life, to live a good life, to enjoy success, to experience joy, if we allow ourselves to be defined by past experiences, if we allow ourselves to look at the world through a victim mindset or a victim mentality. And who am I to tell you how to feel? Indeed, who am I to tell you how to feel? You can decide to feel any way you like about the awful experiences that you have had in your life. You absolutely can carry them with you to your grave. In fact, there are whole industries that make fortunes of money out of peddling a kind of lifelong victimhood where in some way society or groups of people are expected to pay you back, compensate groups of people before they will start to dust themselves off and pick themselves up and get on with the business of creating a good life. And maybe there is something to be said for restitution, but my bet is in most instances it's never going to come. And in other instances, it's just never going to be enough. So the message in this article and the title of it is, are you going to be defined by? The message is, you can choose to be defined by your wounds. It can be a badge of honor if you like. Or you can decide that looking back over your shoulder at your past, that seeing your life as having little to do with personal accountability and personal responsibility is going to limit you. It's going to limit your outcome. It's going to limit your prospects. It's going to limit your joy. In the words of Dr. Phil, how's that working out for you? And I've been doing what I do for a very long time. And my clients who work with me know that in some instances it is going to be hard work. And there is no place for victimhood if you want to thrive and live a good life, regardless of what's happened in the past. So have a look at the article, have a look at the tools that I offer you as a way of shifting your view from past wounds to taking charge of creating a good life that brings you joy.